so for us, NSX not only brought in the ability to operationalize security within a stack we were already familiar with, but it did it natively, meaning that we could take those east-west controls that we were seeking from the network perspective and bring it down into where the workloads lived, meaning that we didn't have to create some complex network routing scenario to drive that traffic to the security. We could bring the security to where the traffic was to begin with. And so from there, it was just a matter of performing segmentation, micro-segmentation, and now IDS, IPS. But when we were looking at VMware's documentation, we just kept seeing the same message, that all we had to do was flip a switch. So we scheduled the maintenance window, logged into the NSX manager, and literally flipped a switch. And within minutes, we had output that we conceivably could take action on. At this point, we're really planning to move forward with decommissioning those traditional edge-based IDS, IPS appliances from FireEye and rely solely on the NSX IDS capability.
The service-defined firewalling gives us many benefits like east-west trafficking too. This means that we can do a complex combination of the applications and the infrastructure tag to easily define virtually security zone and then segment the network as and when and whatever we want. This never used to be possible in earlier days scenarios when we were using the physical firewalls. This app-aware or say app-intelligent feature strategy which completely automates the policy management as well. So you don't need to be worried about that, how my policy is going to be handled when I'm going to provision more number of VMs and all. It is something which can be and has been automated in our environment fully. We have been able to come out of that situation, and today my developer need not to change any IP, need not to take care of any firewalling. It is something which is happening just by clicking the buttons on his own. It's all purely available via self-service model using the VRA functionality.
The distributed firewall in NSX allowed us to transform that quite quickly and efficiently. It enabled us to perform the implementation via Terraform, which gave us a state, which also meant that our compliance was a lot safer and a lot more than what it needed to be. In terms for that as well, it gave us the ability to start looking further into the horizon, looking at containers and integrating microsegmentation into containers using NSXT. NSXT gave us the capability to prove out that containers were able to be microsegmented and gave us the knowledge and the safety that we can execute container workloads with VM workloads quickly and efficiently.